Welcome to Part 111 of Daily English. Today's topic: Natural English expressions. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Example: Hi. Nice to meet you. My name is Emma. Nice to meet you too. Example: Nice to meet you too. It's great to be here. I've heard a lot about you. Example: I've heard a lot about you from Sarah. It's great to finally meet you. Example: It's great to finally meet you in person. How have you been? Example: How have you been? It's been a long time. It's been a while. Example: It's been a while since we last met. I'm glad you're here. Example: I'm glad you're here today. Welcome. Example: Welcome. Please come in. I hope we can be friends. Example: I hope we can be friends and keep in touch. Mini conversation. Anna: Hi. Nice to meet you. I'm Anna. Ben: Nice to meet you too. I'm Ben. Anna: I've heard a lot about you. Ben: Really? It's great to finally meet you. Anna: I hope we can be friends. Daily tip: When meeting someone for the first time, smile, make eye contact, and use friendly expressions like nice to meet you or it's great to finally meet you. These phrases help create a positive first impression. Speaking challenge. Imagine you're meeting a new classmate or coworker. Introduce yourself, say it's nice to meet them, ask how they've been, welcome them, and end by saying you hope you can be friends. Speak using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for Part 112. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.